bit unfortunate Price wanted to do that. My god, you guys joined so fast. What's up, Jack? Wasn't expecting you guys to join so quick. I was gonna give like 5 minutes so that people can join, okay? I'll be right back. guys, we're just waiting for people to join, you know. See how many people join, we don't know. Yeah. Where the hell is everyone, man? People gonna join or what? People gonna join or what, guys? Just gonna send on Discord. How's your week, guys? How much did everybody make? How much did everyone make, huh? First of all, who is here? Good morning. I woke up very late today because I went out last night. Hello, Tarum. Hello, Lorenzo. How are you guys? How was your week, guys? How did you guys do this week? How many percent did you make? How many percent did you lose? How was it? So this week was 25th. So I'll go back here. Morning, Karam. Good morning, good morning, good morning. That's the kind of energy I like to see on the chat. Let's go. Let's have a good one. Last back testing session we did was really good. So come on, guys, how much did you make? How much did you make this week, Karam, Lorenzo, Tarum? How much did you lose? Did you lose? Did you win? Was it green day? Green week? Red week? Come on, come on, come on. Had an awesome week, made 20% last week. I'm set for the rest of the month, man. It's just a small $5,000 account, so no big amount, but yeah, man, 20% is insane, bro. Well done. Well done, man. Good job. Very, very good job. You should be proud of yourself, Dado. That's sick, bro. I've never done 20% in a week. 1.1% on Friday on ftmo trial. Nice. That's nice, bro. 5% this week thanks to you. Last trade of Euro sell on Friday. That was a good one, man. Oh, you could have held that trade the whole day, bro. And I could have entered better, actually. I could have had a tighter stop loss. Yeah. But I'm not used to entering on wicks, so... But next time it happens, I will be more aware of it. If I had a tighter stop loss, that would have been 10R easily. You didn't trade, Lorenzo. Why didn't you trade, man? Guys, what's gonna happen is I'm gonna do a back test of the week. I didn't log any of my trades this week because I don't know, man. Like, I feel like, yeah, when I log the trades, it gives me like an emotion, more emotion towards it, if that makes sense. So it's like, I'm not gonna log my trades. I'll stick to the rules and the limits. I'm not gonna log my trades every day because it just... I want to do the trade and I don't want to forget about it. Whether it's a win or a lose, I want to forget about it, to be honest. I feel like that's the... And then at the end of the week, I'll back test the week. Now I don't remember, I honestly don't remember the, I don't remember the trades that I took. I always forget them. I remember the ones from Friday a little bit, the last one from Friday, but the first one from Friday, I mean. But so I'll be doing this backtest of the week and it'll be pretty much fresh. So for you guys that are trying to learn SMC or feel like you're not quite there yet, man, this backtesting session, you will learn a lot. You will see how I put everything into one. No, Karam, I'm not gonna be available, man, because I'm working now. Guys, I'm working, so you know, I needed some income. I have to get some income. The plan right now is to start the verification on Monday if there's a good opportunity. Yeah. Not verification, sorry. Challenge, the 50k challenge. If there's a good opportunity, there has to be a good opportunity for me to start it on Monday. If not, Tuesday or some point next week. But yeah. I'm gonna do the stream in the morning. And I'm gonna do the stream in the morning, and hopefully when I finish work, if I have time. But most of the time I'm gonna be trading on my phone at work, so I'm gonna have to pass a challenge trading on my phone, which I've never done that. But I can do it because, you know, we've seen the results this week. So the plan is to do that. The plan is gonna be to pass the 50k challenge and be profitable 2 weeks in a row, or just 2 weeks. If I'm profitable 2 weeks, depending on how much profit I make, I'll see what I'm gonna do. Option A would be to leave my job and just fully focus on that, which is risky, risky again. Yeah, it's all going to depend, guys, how much I make. But let's just take one step at a time. This step one, pass the challenge and the verification of this 50k, man. You know. And then we'll move on to step two, which is just to keep trading, keep doing that, keep doing the same thing, you know, not worry so much about time frame or whatever. Just keep doing that. And so yeah, so I don't know how long the process is going to take. I don't want to think about how long the process is going to take. I know it's a long process, but yeah, like, yeah, let's see how it goes. Man, where is everyone? Where is everyone? I'm gonna get started in 5 minutes. Before we start, does anyone have any questions at all, guys? Anything you want to see me do? Yeah, ask away. You still trading the challenge? No, man. We failed the verification, so you know, because of my shit discipline. and then we've been doing demos since, and with demo I made about, there was one day I made, I think from yesterday I made 11% in, would be 6th day I think. Let's have a look. No, I didn't pass, David. But we're gonna go again on Monday. We're gonna go again, 50k challenge. Yeah, I made almost 11% yesterday. Counting yesterday. Then just decided to keep trading, you know. But we got as high as almost 11% in. This is 20th of July, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No way, those. No, oh no, because this didn't. I'm so confused. Oh yeah, 20th of July. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 days. 8 days. I thought it was much less. It was less than that. This win rate is not accurate. It should be a bit higher, I think, because I was doing some other trades, trying some little 0.01 lots with something else. Which EU entry, bro? Which EU one? The short one. Imagine we are in a 4-hour bullish market structure and we see a bullish break of structures on a 15-minute time frame. Would you enter into a bullish move with the momentum? After you see a 3-minute chalk after pullback. I can explain that part for you. I explained to you guys what I do when we're in a 4-hour order block. I guess that's what you mean, yeah? When we're in a 4-hour order block, what do I do? Give me your strategy I dislike. Oh, I will show you in a second. Let me just finish eating. I will show you what I do in a 4-hour order block. When I'm doing the back testings, you will see what I do. And I'll explain why as well. I have certain rules for the 4-hour order blocks when price is in it. So don't worry, I will show you guys everything. No one fucking buys my course anyway. It's fine, man. My goal is never to make money from the courses. My goal is to make money myself. Yeah, eggs and tuna, you know it, Tyson. Same thing every day. Unless there's a girl here, in that case I'll eat pussy for breakfast too. But you know. Man, last night some crazy shit happened again. Man, I don't know what the hell. Alright. Let's get started then. Yeah, I put you in my... Is it okay to have 90 losses in a row? No. If you're following your plan, no. Do you trade SMC? Expert trader. Sounds like it. I've been there, man. Right, so we are in bullish uptrend here, yeah. Well, I can take, right now I'll take both ways. Yeah, I had a lot of losses in a row, but that's because, like I said, I made mistakes. I didn't follow my plan, bro. Like I said to you, if you make mistakes, like by mistakes I mean not following your plan, then it's not right. But if you're following your plan and you then it's alright. I mean, but if you're following your plan and you take 19 losses, then something's terribly wrong. Yeah, now I've been following the plan, man. Look at the results. The fuck? That's what the whole thing was about, man. I was fucking breaking the rules, you know? How can I expect to win if I'm breaking rules? focus. Wait, it's not valid anymore. Not valid anymore. When it goes too far, you guys know we need price to go like this. Then I would take it, but like this, I'll cancel the order. Just sweep here. Do you think, how do you make it though? Nah, not scrambled, not raw tuna, the can, in the can, you know the ones in the can? Just, yeah, scrambled or normal. Do you think person which play with you can pass challenge next week? What do you mean play with me, bro? You mean if you take my trades, is that what you're asking? You won't be able to see most of my trades, man, because I'm gonna be working doing it on my phone. But yeah, we are gonna I am gonna pass the thing, bro. Not fucking about, man. SMC, can you find the greediest levels, points in price where you will see reversal happen? Because in my setup I usually trade near 1 hour for. I use my setup to find the greediest points of reversal. Now, why do you guys think I'm doing a challenge? I didn't tell you I'm doing a challenge. Everybody thinks I'm doing a challenge. Yeah, but I'm not gonna be streaming most of the time, man. I'll do it during the morning, but because I use my setup to find the greediest points of reversal, so I usually hit my stop loss. I'm not understanding what you're saying, Tara, bro. I'm not doing a challenge, man. We did 11% in 8 days of demo. Oh man, I remember this was Monday, wasn't it? When price was so fucked up. Man, the price on Monday was fucked up, like for no reason as well. Okay. Just wait for price to like calm down. Alright, since I've lost 2 here. It's fucked up, this thing fucked up. Since I've lost 2 this day, I can only take 1 more trade. I remember now, I took this trade. Yes. I'm gonna keep trading because, you know. See if this really is liquidity here. That's the question as I'm trying to figure out. Yeah, it is. Oh fuck no. Okay, in that case I'll cancel the order. If it's already reacted like that, I don't like it. It's already too late. One price reacted. It's fine. Oh, sorry. Guys, if you have any questions or anything, just let me know, yeah? Just let me know. Any questions, let me know, and when we hit a 4-hour order block, I'll explain to you what to do to avoid losses. Just realized I couldn't even bought here, by the way, because it's not a discount. So right now we're just looking at sales. We didn't break this high. Only time is the move that broke structure, so it's a very good order block. Tapped into it. No way you're going Thailand, you're joking. Shut up. You know, your mom won't let you go to Thailand, bro. Your mom won't let you go to Thailand. I'm gonna lie, this here is quite a sweep. Oh, you're Thai? You're not joking. You're joking. You're not Thai. You're not Thai. You never told me you're Thai. I'm gonna take my profits here, man. I'll take my profits here. Actually, I can't even mark this as an order block. I would have left it. Just like so. I thought I could have marked this, but I can't actually. Yep, left that there. So. So price can come back up now to break this high. Wait. I hate when I do that, when I click out of it too quick, man. Swap this, right? Easy. Now which order block will it react from this? This is the question. There's a lot of. This is quite late, so I don't think I'll take a trade at this time. And it's too bait. Too bait. Go to the next day. You're not tired, man. You're taking a piss. Oh my god. Man, we're gonna pass the challenge so easily, man. Honestly. So easily. Price is sweep. Oh, we did sweep this. Man, oh, this alarms again. Oh my god. Wait a second, guys. Let's have a look at 15 minutes. Okay. Potential hedge now. Let's see. A bit slow, so make a decision. Okay, it's looking good. Got equal highs here, so I kind of have to take this trade. Don't have much choice. Have this as well. Now, here we made it also choke here. Oh, we didn't really sweep anything to go short, so I'm not gonna go short. Didn't sweep any liquidity over here. We swept liquidity here, so just looking for longs. Okay, this is still valid because still liquidity here. Okay, now it's just going on for too long now. Okay, now it's cancelled. Swap this. People probably entered here because they would have marked out the wick, but you know, guys know I don't like to mark up wicks, so I like to mark proper order blocks. Broke structure here. There's nothing to the left, so I'm just gonna be looking for longs already. Price comes here, I'm going in aggressively. There we go. Oh, I actually took this trade. Fucking news, man. Look, 1:30. You are not Thai, okay? Unless you tell me your Instagram, I don't believe you. So what's been happening is we're gonna start a new challenge on Monday. I've been working, so I haven't been able to stream, which sucks. By the way, was there even liquidity? Yeah, there was liquidity this week. Ah, my leg. Right, let's see. Swap liquidity here. SMC, bro, SMC, you know. It's just the best one, man, from, you know. Just have to, it takes time to master, you know. Break even. Taking the piss. Okay. I see what's happening. I see exactly what's happening now. Price is gonna sweep all of this. Change trend. The reason why this is valid is because look at where the liquidity was swept. Okay. I need price to... Oi. So you know what I say when it's too far gone and it needs to make a move like this. If it's a quick move like this, so it didn't take long, you know, then it's fine. But if it takes a while, then we need something like that. Okay, if it's quick, it's fine. I actually took this trade. 5R, it's part of my plan. I have to stick to my plan because 5R against strong momentum. It's very strong momentum. I would try to stream. It's a 50k account, man. Every time I stream, my ears are just fucking itching all the time. 50k, man. 50k. Huh. This is a weird setup. This is a very weird setup. Doesn't quite make sense actually. Okay, let's take this trade. Just check 15. Wait, so we broke. Wait, what? It's not even the low, bro. It's not even the low. Wait, I can't actually mark that OB. It's not valid. Broke structure again. Oops. It's already too late. I'm not gonna trade it this time. I don't mark wicks, but look at the size of this motherfucker, man. Wait, I had it like this. But I knew that there's a fucking 1 minute candle here. I can't even take any short. Okay, now I can. Give me a second because if you have any questions, guys, just ask. And I haven't even been looking at the 4-hour time frame actually. Oh my god, sorry about my messy chart. Break, high, low. Break, okay. Now, what do you do in a 4-hour order block? This is what you do. You wait for a 50-minute choke, which essentially happens here. You want to go short here. Okay, so you're looking for shorts. Wait, fuck, sorry. Wait. You can also take longs. Not bad. You can also take longs. Now let me check with swept liquidity here. Yeah, with swept liquidity here, look. So we can wait for the price to make a choke. Because what happened, right? I'll explain to you guys. So, we need to get the 4-hour, right? For the 4-hour, we want the price to change direction. So, we need to get to the 4-hour. We want a 50-minute choke, which is what we look for in the 1 minute, yeah? Same thing. Imagine this is a 50-minute order block, and this is the 1 minute. Mitigation, choke, and now we expect price to mitigate this, right? Now, because it's already made a choke, and I'm expecting price to come back to mitigate this OB, which would be the entry OB in essentially in 1 minute, right? I can look for longs from here because that's after the choke. Okay, so after the choke, I want price to come back here. I mean, we expect it, right, to mitigate and then go. So we can take longs from here after the choke. There's only one order block here, which is this, because all the others don't have balance. It's got a big imbalance gap. Look, it's got a huge imbalance gap here. Massive. So whenever there's a big imbalance gap, you put the entry in front. Why your previous low is not chalk? What do you mean, bro? Why my previous low is not chalk? What do you mean, bro? This hit. What do you mean, bro? This is the chalk, man, okay? This is the chalk, end of story. No ifs or what or whys. I'm telling you, that's the chalk, that is the chalk, okay? You just listen and learn. Now, there's a lot of imbalance gap here. So you don't know if price is gonna go all the way in the block or if it's just gonna mitigate the the imbalance, so I'm gonna expect it to mitigate only the imbalance, just in case, because you don't want to fucking lose a trade. So price tagged it in. This point I'm break even. Lovely. Now the reason why you need to be careful, right, is because on 15 minutes it's like this. A lot of the times, yeah, price, I've seen price will come and then go without mitigation. Yeah, that's because it will mitigate a 30-minute order block. Now I don't do 30 minutes order blocks, but I'm aware that sometimes that can happen, and that's what happened here. But this now becomes an order block. She only works in 1 minute. Okay, good. That's all I needed to see. Plus 8.5. I didn't take this trade because I was busy on the phone, man, when that happened. But I was waiting. Then by the time I saw it was already went. Now. I don't trade the wicks, right? I said to you guys, but I had a look in 1 minute here, and I even said this on the group chat. I'm waiting for this, you know, for this trade. Now look at this huge imbalance. Price needs to fill that, okay? Especially if it's coming down. Now there's only one candle here. The candle that made this order block here is this one. This candle right here started a move to break the structure. Look at this candle. So I was waiting for this candle to be mitigated, right? Now I made a mistake by not keeping an eye on it, because what happened was, I remember, price touched it. Wait. I wasn't going to take any trades here. I wanted it to mitigate this candle here. So I mitigated, yeah, and then once I saw that it came to here, I thought, oh, it's already broken past the candle, you know. Bear in mind I'm on my phone and working at the same time, but I didn't realize that this candle is fucking almost 10 pips big, this 1 minute candle. So in my mind I thought, oh, it's already broken, you know. So I took my eyes off it, but I should have kept waiting, because it made a choke, you know. We swept liquidity here, made a choke. Let's see if there's an entry candle somewhere. Wait. The choke. Look, pay attention to this trick, yeah? I've told you guys this before, and I've taken a trade or two on stream, and I couldn't explain to you guys before. When you make a choke and the body doesn't, I don't know how to explain this, but when the body doesn't close, okay, you can do this. You can go across the wick, okay? And even if there's another wick, you can go across that wick too, okay? Because as you can see here, there's no entry candles with imbalance for me, okay? Nothing from this here. You can only count these three. Now if I go across here, I can count the other ones. So now I can count this one. See, this one has imbalance. So you will be able to see in the next candle. You see, this one has imbalance. So I can enter here. I don't know if it comes back, to be honest. I don't know. So it went without me. That's fine. But you guys get what I mean. There was just no candles here for me to enter, but that's fine, it happens. So no tag, nothing there. Okay. Sorry guys. Right. To me this is a breaker structure. I know it looks weird, but to me this is a breaker structure, because simply price moved up more than 15 pips. And to me, and especially with fucking a momentum like this, you want to try to catch it, and you know. To me, that's a break of structure here. So I'll mark that like this. Let's see if there's any opportunity. Oh, my leg. So I'm looking to price to sweep this or this here. 15-minute. Okay, didn't close above. I did take this trade and I did take a loss. Take a loss here. Now let's see what we can do. So now we made, can say this is a break of structure now. Okay, now this becomes the high, this becomes the low. Now, which candle started the whole move? This one right here. It's an inside bar as well, so that means the fucking, you want to be fucking aggressive on here. What the hell's this, man? You want to be aggressive, okay? Price comes down there, you want to be aggressive. Now, I remember I had this order here. I think I had this order here, and I was thinking, price might come back to mitigate it fully, which we've seen happen before, right? But I don't like to take those trades; it's too risky. Okay, it's taken a while for price to come back. As you can see, we made liquidity here. Yeah, clear liquidity there. So that would make this trade more than valid if it wasn't fucking mitigated here. But because it's already been mitigated, it's a really risky trade. Now, I'm gonna wait for mitigation of this order block. We had that. Now we're gonna wait for a choke. See if we get there. Okay. Got choke now. Now, where did we sweep liquidity? We swept liquidity here. It's fine. It's close enough to the choke, in my opinion. Also build liquidity here, you could say. Now, which candle am I gonna choose? Good fucking question, because I don't know. Let's have a look. Have a couple of choices. This one and this one. Well, this imbalance thing doesn't work sometimes. It's so annoying. Okay, apparently there's no imbalance anywhere here. Just a lie. So what I'll do is I'm gonna split my risk. One trade here. One trade here. Now, remember what I said about this, yeah? Come across it. Now this candle becomes valid as well. Now, I'll take this last one off. Reason being, it's just price has already gone so far from this. Okay? So now I'll put a trade here. Remember, you have to put it in front because there's a big imbalance gap. Look at the size of that imbalance. It's big. Go for probably 3 pip stop. This like this. Oh, I don't even know what to target. Target there. Risk free. Wait, guys. I might close the trade. No, my tag is too big. I'll take 5R on this trade because there's an order block here. Price can reverse from this order block here, so I'll just go for 5R. I'll go for 5R. This trade. Now this trade I'd cancel. You know, so price already reacted from one of the order blocks, so the only way I would leave this one in case price makes a liquidity for it. If it does, then sure. No, nothing there really. The price came up to mitigate this wick here. I was worried about these wicks here, you know, as well. A lot of times price mitigates these big wicks and comes back, so I always like to be better safe than sorry, man, than holding my trade, you know. I prefer that way. Alright, let's go next day. Right. So price mitigate this order. Well, price mitigate this order block. That's the high. That's the low. This was Friday. This was the trade we took, I believe. This was Friday? Yeah. So everybody remembers this, right? So we'll just skip to it, you know. See what happened. I didn't take, nothing happened there. Okay, now I'll go through the trade on Friday. Everybody saw it, that trade on live. Now I'll explain it to you guys. Now, as you can see, yeah, this order block's not valid anymore. This 4 hours not valid anymore. Okay, now it completely went past my order block of choice, right? Completely. Okay. Now there's a lot of people that wouldn't take the trade that when it's gone. Now this is the question I asked myself: why did price is SMC is all about liquidity, right? You have to put liquidity before anything, I think. So why did price go all the way up there? Now look at this liquidity. We got 15-minute liquidity here for price just swept. You know, it swept everything here. Boom. Now that gives me a reason. Okay, price broke this order block, which is fine, but did it sweep some clear liquidity? It did. So I'm like, okay, it's game on. It swept some clear liquidity. Now I said to you guys, you know, it's not good that price. I had my entry like this and something like that. I had 5 pip stop loss because I wanted to cover the wick, you know. I don't trade wicks, but I knew that if price mitigated this and made a move like this, that it will come back to the wick. I've seen it happen many times. Now what I should have done is adjust it better. I should have put my entry somewhere like here and made my stop loss like there, but I didn't adjust. I just left it like something like this, you know, because I'm not a big fan of trading wicks, put it that way, you know. I don't like it. Okay, so I knew the price mitigated my order block, but if price made liquidity for me, which did here, look, I knew there was a very good chance that price will come back to this big wick. I knew that, so I kept my trade on, and because I had a 5 pip stop loss, guys, I only went for 5R, and you know, price went there, and boom, 5R, and price just kept on going yesterday, didn't it? If you were trading your stop loss behind there, then behind here, broke behind here, and then, you know, you would have been, I don't know, not much anyway, but still, you know. So yeah, guys, I remembered this trade, so yeah, and these are the kind of results I should be getting every week, and I will be getting every week, because I'm not gonna break any of my rules anymore. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as that, guys. These are the results I'm gonna be getting, and you know, last week or so, it's just what's come up. It's just what we've gotten. You know, the only mistake I made was that this trade right here, I should have held it for so long, but I was on my phone. I had like some important calls, you know, so all in all, I had a good week, like 4% or something like that. But you have to bear in mind, I was also trading on my phone. I'm not used to trading on my phone. I was working while trading. I'm not making excuses, but you know, these are things that I'd have to get used to. I had to get used to. So, considering I had all these obstacles or whatever against me throughout this week, I think I've done very, very well. Very, very well. You know. So yeah, guys. So yeah, guys, that's all I'm gonna go through today. You know, next week we're gonna start. Don't know when. We'll see what price looks like and stuff. But man, discipline has to be on point. You know what I mean? Discipline will be on point, man. No more messing about. So, it's a shame I can't be streaming with you guys all the time. It's a real shame. But, you know, once I start getting more and more income and, you know, everything will work out, you know, in the end. Everything will work out in the end. Don't you worry. Yeah, man. Like I told you guys, like the morning routine, man. Honestly, I don't know if you were here, Jack, when I was talking about why the hell things have been going wrong. Man, you know, I definitely am a lot happier, man. Yeah, 50k starts next week. Next week. I'm literally just looking for my freaking I forgot where I put my fucking password. Oh, here we go. Traders Global Group demo. Okay. Just waiting for it to log in on my phone. Takes its time, doesn't it? Go. Don't know why on earth it has not got. Perfect, perfect. Nice, nice, nice. You got this, okay, bro. You got this. We're gonna get this, bro. Honestly, both of us will get this. I just got to a point where I'm tired of fading it, man. Honestly, I'm tired of fading, tired of letting myself down. And yeah, man, I'm just not gonna do it again. I took this trade yesterday, man. So unfortunate, like, so unfortunate. Like, what the fuck? Price made a chuck here, yeah, and I had my entry here. But for some reason, right? For some reason, price decided to come down here to mitigate what? Nothing. Like, literally. Had like a 3 pip stop loss of 3.5, I think. Price decided to come here. It's like, for what? There is nothing here, bro. Nothing here. You know? That would have finished me up nicely for the week as well. But sometimes price is just a bit weird, isn't it? Just a bit weird. 0.5 and 0.25 sometimes, depends. Alright, one more thing I'm gonna do is I'll sort it out tomorrow. Just gonna calculate my lot sizes and stuff. Put it on here. Nah, man, you don't just have to get to the first payout. You have to do this every single day of your every single life. That's the thing. Don't make the mistake to think about you only want to get through the first payout. You have to change that mentality. This has to become a lifestyle. It's not about the first payout. It's not about the second payout. It's not about passing the challenge. It's about making it a lifestyle. You as a trader has to be a lifestyle. Because if you put in your head you're going to make the same mistake as me, because I used to have that mentality, oh, I just have to make it, then I have to pass the challenge, then I have to pass the verification, then I just have to get through the first payout. No, don't think like that, because then you're going to lose like I did after the first payout. Just think about it's a lifestyle. It's what you do day in, day out, regardless if it's a challenge, account or anything. That's how you have to think. Okay, just think of it as a lifestyle. Don't think of it as you only have to get through this month or you only have to get through 2 months. No, don't think about it like that. It's a lifestyle, you know. You have to love the process. So fall in love with the process. It's hard sometimes, but to dig in, man. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. Channel's a bit dying, I'm not gonna lie, man. You know, channel hasn't been great, has it, with the views and stuff. You know, but you know, what can I say? It's things didn't quite go to plan in it, but we'll see. We'll come back though. The channel will grow again, and we'll get there. It's because Ryan and Surafel, they both left. It's a shame, innit? Alright. Take care, guys. Thanks, Devin. Any last words? I'm gonna end the stream. Take it easy, Uncle. Alright, guys. Bye bye. Much love, much love. Thanks for everyone that came. And we'll see each other on Monday. You make it back, man. Just take your time. It takes a lot of patience to get back from 8%. But just make sure you stick to the plan, man. If you stick to the plan, you get it back. Stick to the plan. Stick to the morning routine. Stick to your routine. Stick to every single rule. Don't think about the P&L. Because if you think about it, if you just stick to the plan, you don't make any mistakes, right, in terms of breaking any rules, then you won't even be sad about yourself. Like, you just be like, man, I did everything I could, right? If you know in your heart that you did everything you could, and everything you could means everything correctly in your plan, then you've done your best, you know? Then you've done your best. But if you break rules of your plan, any rule, even if it's the slightest rule, then you know you didn't do your best. So make sure all you can do is your best, and your best will be enough. I guarantee you, your best will be enough. If you have got 10% in the past, your best will be enough. So be patient, and you can do it, man. Just don't make the same mistakes I did. Alright, have a good weekend, guys. Bye bye.